Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 83 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we'll explore the powerful practice of healing with light. Light has long been a symbol of clarity, warmth, and renewal. Just as sunlight nourishes the earth, we can use light to heal and restore ourselves. In this meditation, we'll invite healing light into our body and mind, letting it wash away tension, negativity, and stress. Let's begin by taking a comfortable seat or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Now, imagine a soft, warm light above you. It's a gentle light, radiant and full of healing energy. As you breathe in, visualize this light slowly descending, surrounding your body with its warmth and healing power. With each breath you take, feel the light move deeper into your body, filling every part of you with its glow. It flows into your chest, your arms, your legs, and your heart, bringing healing wherever it goes. As this light fills your body, allow it to dissolve any tension or discomfort you may be holding. See it as a peaceful, calming force, washing away any negativity, stress, or pain. If any area of your body feels tense, send the light there, watching it soften and release. If your mind feels cluttered, let the light gently clear it, bringing a sense of peace and clarity. Repeat to yourself, silently or out loud, I am open to healing and renewal. I welcome the light that nourishes my body and mind. And with each breath, I feel stronger, more balanced, and more at peace. Take a deep breath in, allowing the healing light to fill you completely. As you exhale, feel the light settle deep within, a lasting sense of peace and wholeness within your body. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.